ladies and gentlemen, today I have the privilege to test one of our new S-Class models. This is a prototype of the plug-in hybrid version. We are testing it here from A to Z at our electromagnetic test lab. I know many of our customers are eagerly waiting for this car to come out and are very curious about its design and technical highlights. I can't share too many details, but I can tell you that the new S-Class embodies all of our Mercedes-Benz values: maximum comfort, connectivity, safety, and efficiency. This plug-in hybrid version here is particularly efficient, with an electric range of about 100 kilometers. In short, the new S-Class merges nearly 135 years of automotive experience with the latest technologies such as artificial intelligence. One of my personal highlights is for sure the new head-up display with augmented reality. With it, you get all essential information for safe and comfortable driving right in front of you in a quality never seen before. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. We'll be presenting many pioneering innovations with the world premiere of the S-Class in September. Until then, we will be introducing a number of new innovations in the coming weeks via dedicated Meet the S-Class digital specials on our online platform, Mercedes Me Media. We will start next Wednesday with an MBUX special, focusing on the digital innovations of the brand new multi-seat user experience system. I do hope you'll take a look. But now it's time to take the S-Class for another spin on the test track. Hey Mercedes, when do I need to recharge?
Hey Marcus, you're driving an S-Class hybrid. You have to arrive at the charging station in around 90 kilometers.
That sounds just great. So goodbye for now and see you next time.